Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get voice chat on Roblox. First things first, you want to open your Roblox on your computer or mobile device, then locate the gear or cog icon in the top right and select Settings. Verify then your age as you need to be 13 or older to access voice chat. Just follow the on-screen instructions for age verification using a valid government-issued ID. After your verification process, you want to return to Roblox and tap on Privacy and access beta features. Then you want to locate Enable Voice Chat and toggle the switch to enable it. Just agree to the terms and conditions if prompted. Test the microphone within Roblox settings to ensure that it is picking up your voice. And after that, enter a Roblox game that supports voice chat and verify that the microphone icon appears above your character. Lastly, just unmute yourself and check if your microphone registers voice input. Adjust audio settings further if needed for optimal functionality. And after that, enjoy your voice chat on Roblox. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.